Let's say that our company has a mission critical web service, and if it gets too slow, then I want to fire an alert and be notified. To give you some perspective, I've created this dashboard widget that shows the average response time in green and the maximum in blue. Let's say that we have an internal company SLA, that if too many events happen over 500 milliseconds, then we want to fire an alert and be notified. We can do that by loading our search results on response time, and then doing a range search to just find the ones that are over our SLA of 500 milliseconds. Now I create a saved search, and I'll call this response over SLA. I can then create an alert off this with the same name. If this happens too many times, for example, 25 times within 5 minutes, then I want to send myself an email. We also have additional endpoints. We can have the on-call person be paged. Or we can use our HTTP endpoint to kick off an automated response. For example, if you have a Puppet deployment that fails, you may want to automatically roll it back. Then I just click submit, and I've created my alert.